Hi everyone, look at this beautiful design. Let's make it. You can use it for gift wrapping or for the book cover as well. It will look very beautiful. So let's get started. First we're going to fold this brown color of paper. Make multiple folds. Now we're going to press it like this from its both side and make folds at the center part as well. Make two folds and do the same from other side as well. When you open it, you will get this shape. Now you can see the measurement on the skin. You have to fold it like this. Look at the center part. Now take another piece of paper and start folding it like this. Here we are going to make a beautiful shape for the center part of the box. After making multiple folds, we are going to press it from the center part and you will get this design, and look, it's ready. Look how pretty this is looking. Let's make it. Here we are going to take this brown paper of 10 to 20 centimeter. Now we are going to make folds and press it like this. We're going to make two more folds. When you open it, it will open like this. After opening, we're going to again fold it from the center like this and do the same from other side as well. Now we are going to paste it like this from all its four portions. When you open, it will look like this. You will get this rectangular box. After making it, we are going to place all of them inside the book shape like this. Make the star shape and look, it's done. Look at this beautiful heart shape with wings. Let's make it. Here we're going to take this printed paper and fold it like this. Now pull it down and make multiple folds for the wings. Gently open it and again fold it. Now we're going to make the heart shape as well. Flip it and look, it's ready. Look at these beautiful paper hearts. Let's make it at home. So take a square paper, now fold it into half. Again fold it and make this triangular shape. Now we are going to fold it from its sides and tuck the paper inside. Now we are going to blow it and look, your paper hearts are ready. Let's make these little paws at home. For that we are going to take a printed paper and make three folds. Again we are going to fold it into half. Now we are going to fold it from its sides. We are making crease here, so finally open it and start folding it, and look, your purse is ready. After this we're adding the strip as well on both its sides and tuck it inside, paste a bow, and look, your paper purse are ready. Let's make this fun craft at home using craft paper. For that we are going to cut this pink color of craft paper and make multiple folds like this. After making the folds, open it and again fold it and make two such shapes. Now we are going to paste it using double-sided tape. Fold it and look, it's ready. We are also putting this thread on both sides. Now take another piece, roll it, and look, it's done. After rolling it, we are going to again cover it using another piece of paper and paste it using double-sided tape. Similarly, we're adding more layers on the top of it. Paste the heart shape on the top and look, your fun craft is ready. Look at this flower hanging. Let's make it using craft paper. So take a small strip of paper and measurements are here. Now we are going to make multiple folds. Fold it into half, then fold it from the top and bottom in a triangular shape. After folding this, we are going to make 6 such shapes like this and tuck all of them one over another. Paste it using a glue and make a circle like this. Now we are going to tuck it from the back side as well. Open the flowers and look, it's ready. Paste, pearl and frills, and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.